Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is to solve the equation. Here is about the equation and I will show the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to find the domain in here. So we will go about this one should be greater than or equal to 0, and this one should be greater than or equal to 0, and we go about ask with smaller than 3 minus 2 multiplied with 11, 5, and this should be greater, smaller than or equal, and s is greater than or equals for this one, but we put about positive. Now we need to put capital A equals for the square root, capital B equals for this one. So we got about first equation, that's about A minus B equals to number 1. Next, if we put A to the power of 2 minus B to the power of 2, you will go about this one, you destroy the square root, and you got this one minus for this one. So you will go about 15, and we create the second equation. And now we create the system of equations. And now we have A minus B equals to number 1. So we have A minus B multiplied with A plus B equal to 15. So we got about A minus B in here, and now we just got about A plus B. We sum two equations together and you got about 2A equals to 16, and we got about A equals to 8, and we can find the value of B equal to 15 minus A is about 15 minus 8, you got about 7. And now you can choose this square root equal to for A or this square root equals for number 7. They will get the same value, so I just choose for A equals for number 8. We put the square in both sides. And now we can find the final result in here. After we compare for domain in here, we accept two solutions. That's the end. Thank you for watching.